Rise and shine, my beautiful people, rise and shine. It's your boy Rayman here, aka your ray of sunshine, baby. And we out here in London today. And today we're doing a vlog, flying to Vienna. So I've come to visit family in London, but at the same time I'm going to Vienna. And it's going to be interesting. I don't have a clue about anything about Austria, so everything's going to be spontaneous. And I'm going to take each step as it comes. So I've packed my camera bag here. The suitcase is outside. Let's go. Boom. Guys, right now we're in Chelsea. I've been fortunate enough to be able to stay in Chelsea throughout my stay in London, from the hood to Chelsea, boy. Upgrade. Right now we're going to catch a train. We're going to go to London Victoria Station, and we're going to go to Gatwick from there. Gatwick Airport. I couldn't have picked a more further airport, you know. London, we have like 4 main airports: Heathrow, Gatwick, Luton and Stansted and City Airport. So I've picked one so far away. So yeah, I've just arrived at Fulham Broadway station, and we'll try and get over to Victoria somewhere, somehow. Usually I'll take a taxi over to the airport. I'm running so late, we ain't gonna make it if I take a taxi. I need to go the direct route, the most efficient route, which is the Gatwick Express. And this suitcase is hella heavy, man. Welcome to Fulham Broadway Shopping Centre. Here, have a look. Okay, look, here we are. We need to go to platform 2, Fulham Broadway. That was cool. Via Victoria, straight to Victoria. Yeah. Boom. We made it to Victoria Station, man. We're here now. We just need to find the Gatwick Express. It's been a long time since we put the train to the airport.
The next train will be
You're probably wondering where I've been all this time, but you know, I've just been experiencing the real world without the camera, and yeah, it's been in the real world, no social media, and just enjoying it really. Oh, heavy suitcase. The last time I leave things last minute. Right, so I've got to go to platform 13. It's the Gatwick Express right there. Look, it says it in big bold letters. And we made it, man. We made it to platform 13 with 3 minutes to go. Look, the train is all the way up there. I've probably got 2 minutes by now. The train comes every half an hour. The time now is 5:30. My flight is at 7:30 takeoff. So I get to the airport at 6:30. That gives me 1 hour to clear security and check in, and and get to the gate. And I've bought a packed lunch. You know when you leave and you're flying out, or you leave your house for a weekend, for like a weekend break, and you've left so many perishable goods and they all go off, and I thought, I'm not going to let that happen again. I just packed everything in here: the food, some avocados, some organic tomatoes, and I think, yeah, let's make a packed lunch. And at the same time, save some money. I had to check in this bad boy. I know it's overweight. I'm just going to have to pay if they tell me. I've never flown with Wizz Air before, first, and I've heard they're delayed today. It looks like the flight with Wizz Air was oversold, so I'm on standby. I could get on the flight, I could not. Who knows? And they've oversold it by quite a lot apparently. So let's go through security, do a bit of shopping in the duty free, buy some presents for people, and wait and see, shall we? We made it through the rigorous security here at Gatwick Airport. We're going to go straight to the gate and I guess hope for the best. Being on standby and all. I've never been on standby before, but oh well, I guess it's the first time for everything. Never been to Vienna before either. Guys, I made it on the flight. It's a fully packed flight. I made it on. She said I'm on. Look at this. Like, the flight is fully packed. Oh baby, I'm coming to Vienna, baby, yes. That reminded me of the Friends episode, you know, when Rachel comes back to the airport, you know, to meet Ross. Rise and shine, my beautiful people. I just woke up after a long day of traveling and preparing, and we woke up. We're in Vienna, in a nice part of town by the theme park, Prata. I don't know much about Vienna, I don't know much about Austria. I do know it's the home of Beethoven, and it was the home of Mozart, beautiful classical composers. But yeah, I just woke up, let me freshen up. I'm in this wonderful apartment, courtesy of my friend Jovi's sister. She's in Ecuador with her partner, and her apartment's come free, and she let us stay here. Beautiful, beautiful penthouse apartment with high ceilings, so I'll give you the tour of where I'm staying. What is up, guys? Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate you watching my vlogs. It's Rayman Mufasa here. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Please like, share and subscribe if you like the content, and follow us on this journey. It's a beautiful journey. We've got a Vienna series going off now, popping off. So stay tuned and we'll have another vlog out for you tomorrow. Peace.
They call me Rayman Mufasa, you know I come from Mombasa. I was raised on the streets, I had to hustle just to eat. My grandmother was shopping food on the streets, hey. I'm packing heat on the streets, hey. So I knew I could never be weak. So I knew I would never be weak.